Tell me, do I need to be my own hero?
Would you lay your life down? Would you give an arm or a leg? Are we gon' fight now? Cause baby, it's the world we're against. Is it our time now, right now? Or is it just me in the end? Is our future bright now? Tell me, is the dark seeping in? Are we alright now? Are we barely breathing again? Is it our time now, right now? Or is it just me in the end? Will you come running when I scream your name? The walls are all hunted and they're coming for me. Tell me, do I need to be my own hero? Will you come running? I need to know an army of two or am I all alone? Tell me, do I need to be my own hero? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it with or without you. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it if it's the last thing I do. Do I gotta save my own life for my whole life? Whoa. And do I gotta find my own life for my whole life? Whoa. Will you come running when I scream your name? The walls are all hunted and they're coming for me. Tell me, do I need to be my own hero? Will you come running? I need to know an army of two or am I all alone? Tell me, do I need to be my own hero? Would you lay your life down? Would you give an arm or a leg? Are we gon' fight now? Cause baby, it's the world we're against. Is it our time now, right now? Or is it just me in the end? Will you come running when I scream your name? The walls are all hunted and they're coming for me. Tell me, do I need to be my own hero? Will you come running? I need to know an army of two or am I all alone? Tell me, do I need to be my own hero? Tell me, do I need to be my own hero?
The dance is called My Own Hero, choreographed by Neville Fitzgerald and Julie Harris. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, forward, sweep your right, cross, back, quarter to your right, side, point to the side. Now you're facing 3. Quarter to your left, forward, facing 12. Half turn to your left, stepping back, facing 6. Back rock. Recover, full turn to your right. Half turn, facing 6. Sweep your left, cross, side, slightly back, side. 1 is into your left, 2 430. Forward, hit your left foot. Section 2, back, 5/8 turn to your left. Half turn to your left, stepping forward. Sweep your right foot, square up to 9. Cross, quarter to your right, back, quarter to your right, forward. Now you're facing 3. 4 rock, recover back, quarter to your left, big step. Side, drag your right, facing 12. Rock behind, recover side, behind, sweep your right. Section 3, behind, side, cross rock, recover side, cross. 1 is into your right to 130. Forward. One is into your right side, one is into your right, back facing 430. Back, one is into your right side facing 6, round forward, left, right, left. Last section, step forward, pivot quarter into your left, cross, 3/4 spiral turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right, stepping back, lift your right foot, continue half turn to your right. Now you're facing 12. Forward, sweep your left, make a quarter turn to your right, cross. Now you're facing 3. 3/4 turn to your left. Quarter turn to your left, stepping back, half turn to your left, stepping forward, facing 6. Sweep your right, cross, back side. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.